That's just karma. That's just karma.
Hello, it's been a long time. Can't get you off my tired mind. Shadow, let the tape rewind and finally ease my anxious eyes. Oh no, I feel you creeping in, my body bleeding sin. I'm drowning. Heaven, can you save me now from these thoughts inside my head? God, you are the devil, running through my mind. I can't get on your level. I swear to God I tried. I am not under your spell. Turn around and get ahead. You can't help me anymore. Oh my God, you are the devil.
So ayun mga road trip, andito tayo sa San Nicolas Heritage Park. So ito ang tinatawag nilang Little Baguio ng Pangasinan. So ayan siya, kang Baguio nga talaga. Yan, so makikita mo puro pine tree ang nandito. Puro pine tree. So dito may pababang hagdan, no. Yan, pababa may hagdan. So andun na yung mga kasama natin sa dulo. Malamig-lamig ngayon dito sa Heritage Park. So medyo matao. Namamasyal dito. So maganda ang view dito, oh. So meron tayong nakikitang abandon tank dito.
Magkaligo ba dito?
So dito na tayo sa Heritage Park. So ayan, oh, makita natin may flag ng US tsaka Philippines, Japan. So presko dito ngayon, malamig-lamig. So sa gilid na puro pine tree ang nandito. So ayan siya, may bakod lang pala. So meron din nakakalusod dun sa kabila, camping area. See, camping area dito. So puro pine tree, malamig na, no? So ito ang pinaka-peak ng, meron pa dun pa yun, natatanaw pa akong mas mataas dun, no? Yun. So mataas na rin tong area natin. Ganda. Ay, maganda yung view, ano? Solve tayo sa view.
Makikita mo dun na kaso ano.
Ayun. Ayun, oh, naaarawan siya. Oh. Nagre-reflect siya. Ganitong ano, malamig ano. May tanim pa silang sili dito. Ah, sili ba to? So ayun, ay gumamela. Ay, may boundary siya, hanggang dyan lang tayo. Sa kabila may entrance na naman, iba na naman yan. Ibang area na yan. Oh, ayan, may bakod na nga siya. Ayan ang lalim. Puro puno. Puro gubat. Oh. Galing. Ah, mapuno eh. Forest eh. Forest. Oo. Mas malamig pa.
Hindi pa naman ako nakapunta doon sa
So, ayan. Heritage Park. Pasyalan natin yung ano, tangke. So, mahirap puntahan lang. Masyadong matarik yung daanan. So, ayan. Ikot tayo. Pag gusto mo mag-camping, pwede rin dito. Ayan o. Abandoned tank. So, ayan. Balikan natin itong flag kanina. Ayan. So, yan yung tank. Yung flag niya US, isa kasi ito sa area na nung panahon ng World War II. So ginamit nila tong area yung panahon ng Hapon, US na gera. So ayan siya. Kakahinga lang, malayo. Ito tayo sa tangke. So dito may warning siya. So pasok tayo sa loob. Ng World War II tank. May serial number pa siya. So ayan. So may butas pala dito papasok. Pwede kang umakyat sa loob. So gusto mong pumasok, diyan yung daanan. Ano ang tank? See, ganda.
Always stop me going under. step I take, 'cause our walls are coming down. God, you are the devil, running through my mind. I can't get on your level. I swear to God I tried. I am not under your spell. Turn around and turn ahead. You cannot be anymore. Oh my God, you are the devil.
I could be the one you talk to when you're feeling down. I could be the one you run to when the moon hits the ground. I can say what I'm feeling, but the words just don't come out. If you ever feel lonely, girl, just know I'll come around. 'Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. 'Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise. So pick up the pieces. So pick up the pieces. Baby, I'ma be there through the rough parts of it all. Holding your hand, fighting for the things that we want. Be the rock you lean on, with you by my side. Baby, when we fall, together we'll rise. 'Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. 'Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise. So pick up the pieces, pick up the pieces, pick up the pieces. So pick up the pieces, pick up the pieces, pick up the pieces. Show me you mean it tonight.
That's just